and so I decided to do the outro again. I think I like this format. I don't like talking over the videos simply because, one, I don't like the sound of my own voice, and two, I am horrible at all that stuff. I'm just filming on my phone, and I don't have all that fancy equipment, so yes. Sorry this video was so late to get to you guys too, and that is literally because I am going to school to be a nurse, and so my biology alone is kicking my butt. Never mind being a full-time student, working in a pharmacy full-time, and then, well, part-time right now, and having 2 kids. So this one right here is going to be a budget based. So, this one is going to be for February. This is to put in my paychecks, the days that I get paid, and the budget that I'm going to be doing. Fixed variables. On here, this page actually took me a while to do. It was killing me for a while. I kept messing up, but it's okay. No one's perfect. Just like snowflakes. Snowflakes are completely unique, and none of them are the same. And just like people. So we can make mistakes if we want, or if we have to. So I have my summary, budget, actual, expenses, and saving. Last month I kind of went into a lot more, but I decided to keep it as simple as possible because simple is better. This one right here is going to be to track sinking funds. So what you would do is all your sinking funds, you're just going to put that in there. You're going to put your start of the month, your end of the month. And then this one is for my zero-based budget because I do like to write it all down. So I hope that you guys stay to the end and that you definitely like this video and that you subscribe, and then we can see you in a little bit. I'm going to try to upload more for these. I'm hoping on Mondays. I'm hoping to get them out before the next month rolls around, but exams already, and I'm only 3 weeks in, so it's crazy. Go ahead and comment down below what you think that next month should be. Next month is March, and it is my son's birthday. He loves like 80s and 90s movies. He loves like metal music. He loves cats. So, not the musical. He has a cat, and it's like his best friend. He's obsessed with his cat. So, it doesn't have to be any of those things, but if there is something that is kind of cool and nostalgic, just go ahead and let me know what you would like to see, and I will do my best to see if I can do it for you. Now, this is a beginner's friendly bullet journals. I am not a professional artist. I can barely draw a straight line. I do this because it helps me with anxiety, to be honest with you. And so yeah, this is, like I said, very, very basic and budget friendly, but I hope that you do give me some comments down below. Let me know what you want to see, and if it's possible, maybe I can do it. All right, guys, I will see you later. Have a great night. Bye.